Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, tap on those type of dots at the top right corner. Actually, top right corners if you wish to delete many of them. And to exclude some that you wish to keep, tap on the chosen ones. To delete the rest, click on Delete at the bottom and then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!